classification. Typically, you use this algorithm for classifying news, or classifying an email as a spam mail, or classifying say a tumor as cancerous and non-cancerous. So this is used for the classification. So you have a data file here. You just load it, and then you can do vector-oriented processing, vector-oriented and matrix-oriented processing here using the Spark libraries, and you can iterate, and you can calculate the classification function here. Right? So it's as simple as that. If for the same thing, if you have to do it in Hadoop, MapReduce, or even Pig or Hive, it takes a lot of lines. And also, iterative processing is something you can see a for loop here. For loop, and you're storing some value, and then trying to calculate some values which can later become the parameters for your classification equation. So these kind of things are almost impossible to do in Hadoop. You have to force fit into map and reduce, and you may have to go in several jobs. So it makes it non-performant as well as difficult to maintain and develop. So these are some examples of what you can achieve in Scala. So having seen the examples, now let us look into some core architectural details of the Hadoop. So not Hadoop, sorry, Spark. So the Spark has something called as RDDs. It is resilient distributed data sets. So these are distributed collection of objects of the data in memory. Right? These are all in-memory data sets.